Okay guys, I'm going to be disassembling my Airsoft M40A3. It is the Double Eagle Field Marksman M40A3, but it is the exact same thing as the ASG M40A3 Sportline. So first thing you're going to want to do is take apart the receiver from the stock. You want to make it where the magazine's out. Take off the scope. You don't want to do it like that. That was pretty bad. Then your gun should have came with Allen wrenches. One big one and one little one. You want to put them right in here. The big one goes right here, and flip the bolt up, and it should lift right out. So yeah. You don't really need the stock anymore, so you want to put that aside. So now you're left with this, the receiver and the barrel. Now I'm not going to be focusing that much on the barrel. I'm going to be focusing on the cylinder right here. So then you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. So I have this pretty cool little multi-tool right here. I'm going to take this piece off right here. Make sure you don't lose these screws. I mean, that's pretty obvious, but make sure you don't lose this. Should come right off. You might have to pry it off. This little hex thing, this little bolt or nut, it goes right here. Let me put this down. It goes right through here, so make sure you keep it with it, because that piece is pretty easy to lose. Now, the barrel should slide right off. So, now you have this. You can put this aside, because this is the hop-up unit right here. And I'm not going to be doing anything with the hop-up or the inner barrel, so I'm just going to put it aside. And then, this is what I'm going to be focusing on. Make sure the safety is on, just because it's good to have the safety on. And take that off. Switch to my pliers. This might work. And you want to see these little two holes right here? you want to get a pair of pliers in there and twist. And then cylinder head pops off. You're lowering your piston and your spring. Then, after that, raise your bolt again. These things pop out. And that pops out. It goes on like that, right there. Yeah, so pretty basic. Now, get your screwdriver back out, and we're going to be taking off the trigger box. Let me get mine back out. That's 4 screws. One there, one there, one there, one there. So, unscrew that. The reason why I'm doing this video is because this is a kind of popular sniper rifle for what it is. It's super accurate out of the box, and it's only like $80. The Double Eagle one is $100 now. I got it for $85, but the prices have jumped to $100. And the only review for this gun is, or the only disassembly for this gun is in Spanish. There you have it, people. There's that cylinder. This is all the parts you should have after you disassemble your gun. I mean, it's pretty basic. Really easy to disassemble. Now, after you watch this video, if you want to reassemble your gun, click my next video in this series and learn how to reassemble your gun. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and comment down below what you thought of this video, and if you guys want to see me do anything to the barrel part, like hop up in the inner barrel.